Collins. Codi'r bel dros yr amddiffyn I lwybr Caden Cook. Cook, y croesiad isel! A gol I Lansley yn rhoi'r bel heibio'r postyn. Cyfla gwirioneddol cynta'r gêm yn disgyn I rif 19 y tîm cartra. Jordan Evans. Cigon o fer ganddo fo. At Piers. Yr erged oedd I ar y par! Symudiad oedd wedi baratoi ar y maes ymarfer. A bron iddo fo weithio. Mr Jones y dyfarnwr yn cyflwyno'r bel I Sam Rickett. Rickett yn taro bel ymlaen at Lansley. Lansley mewn I cwrt Cosby. Ond I groesodd y tu ôl I Piers. Ond fe ddisgynnodd I Jordan Evans. Ac am yr ail rownd o'r bron. Mae rhif 9. Airbus wedi canfod yr hwyd. Collins. Basso yn canfod Lansley. Ffydd Lansley nôl. Methu canfod Jordan Evans. Yn y bel di dod yn ôl at ôl I Lansley. Lansley ar draws. Ac oedd hwnna dros y llinell. Nag oedd yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Nath Hugh Jones edrych ar draws at y llimanwr ar yr ochr bella. Walters at Luke Bowen. Luke Bowen I mewn I cwrt Cosby! A mae Llansawel yn gyfartal. Prif sgoriwr y Cymru South. Gol rhif 16 y tymor yma I Luke Bowen. Bates. At Hurley. Jack Hurley unwaith eto. Camu mlaen. Canfod Tyler Brock. Brock i'r llawr. A mae'n geico'r smotyn. A di amddiffynwyr y tîm cartra y methu credu'r peth. A mi ath o'i lawr yn eitha hawdd yr olwg. Luke Bowen yn erbyn Cian Jones. Bowen yn cymryd I amsar. Ac yn gyrru'r golwr y ffordd anghywir. A mae'r gêm yma wedi cael ei throi ar ei phen. Efo 10 munud I fynd. Mae Llansawel ar y blaen. Mynydd o gic ymlaen gan Cian Jones. Be'n cael ei tharo nôl mewn I cwrt Cosby. A Piers yn rhwydo. Ond o Llyman y dyfarnwr cynorthwyol I fyny'n barod. Am eiliad oedd Piers yn meddwl I fod o wedi taro nôl yn syth. Os na un cyfle ola I Airbus I achub y gêm yma. Maen nhw'n mynd I gael tafliad ar yr asgell bella. Kieran Evans yn cymryd y tafliad yn sydyn. Jordan Evans ar draws! Bron I Piers gael cyffyrddiad. Ac ergyd Caden Cook yn cael ei rhwystro. Jordan Piers fodfeddi o ddod ar tîm cartra yn gyfartal.
Tough first half, we didn't really perform. But it's one of those games where we had a bit of a couple of stern words half time. I knew we'd create some chances as long as we took them, hang on a bit at the end. But nice win into the next round. Happy days.
Yeah, well, for me, it's obviously my first game, my first week, so the change is really more about the players than what it is for myself. What I knew today, we were coming into a very, very good Airbus team. Knew that we had to be, strong in all departments. And to be fair to the boys, they've done that. And we, as we say, we've got our 2 goals in the second half, defended really, really well on times, and we're into the next round of the cup, which is brilliant for us.
We should have taken the game away from them in the first half. I thought we were excellent in the first half. 3-4 chances I can recall hitting the bar. One potentially just gone over the line. You can actually see from where I was, so we might see when the video comes out. So, but they came out obviously second half a bit more aggressive, and created more chances. Even though we still had enough to win the game, to be honest. So even before we were 2-1 down and chasing.